So this is my Thuja plant, and lately I have noticed that its leaves are getting dry. Maybe not due to proper care or anything. Maybe because I was also busy in my interviews of PhD, and tomorrow also I am having the interview in CDRI, that is Central Drug Research Institute. But I do not want to lose this plant, so I have decided to cut all the dried leaves and shift this plant to some other pot, because I feel that it has also become root bound, and it's another big problem for plants, because they are not able to grow, they are not able to spread their roots any further inside the pot. And let me show you, and you can see the pot is also broken. So of course it needs some quick fixing. Actually, I have brought it when it was quite small. I wish that you are aware of what Thuja plant is. In Hindi we call it Vidya. It is actually a gymnospermic plant, and I'm sure that you might be keeping the leaves of this plant, Vidya plant, in between the pages of your book when you were small, because I used to do it. So this is the seed, and the characteristic feature of gymnosperm, that seeds are naked and usually in cone form. So I'm not going into the details of botany. Let's fix the problem of my Thuja plant quickly. So this is the way how it looks when the plant becomes root bound. You can see the roots all over the surface of the soil, and now the roots were unable to spread them further in the pot, and so it was the time. So yeah, it was the time to remove it from the pot and change the pot as well. So let's do it. And one more thing that I want to tell you, that before planting Thuja in this bucket, I have planted these lilies in this. So these were also doing very well, because you can see the babies coming out. So I have decided to plant this in, and currently I'm not having any bigger pot than this, so I decided to plant in this bucket only and shift these lilies to some other pot. So yes, so yeah, I did quite a lots of work today, but I don't feel I'm tired.